Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this who is your ex-boyfriend filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Droop is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all our filter to your camera tray. So check in her filter gallery and you will find this filter, your ex-boyfriend. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. And to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button to start recording. Then you have to tap on the screen to start the display and you have to tap again to stop the display. So let's do that. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.